Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Devotion. Chapter 12, Shloka 17. He who neither rejoices nor hates, nor grieves, nor desires, renouncing good and evil, full of devotion, is dear to me.
Chapter 12, Shloka 17. यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः.
Chapter 12, Shloka 17. This shloka represents the fourth section in which 6 more qualities that make up a perfect devotee are enumerated to add to the earlier 20 subtle traits. A perfect devotee is not affected by the ordinary experiences of joy and sorrow and of pain and pleasure, as he has lifted himself from the world of his mind intellect and has awakened to his inner spiritual nature. Nor hates. There are no objects which he would intensely like to acquire, nor there is any occasion to fret about on coming in contact with things or situations that are undesirable from his standpoint, hence no hatred. Neither grieves nor desires. Grief is generally experienced while parting with a beloved object, and desires are entertained for something he doesn't have. A man of perfection is one whose beloved object, the self, can never be apart from him, and he has no attachment with any other object. He has such a sense of complete fulfillment that he has no desire for anything. Renouncing good and evil. Good and evil are due to the vasanas. To one who has become free from vasanas and deriving inspiration from something beyond, none of the happenings here at the level of the mind and the intellect can matter. When a true devotee, having awakened to the God consciousness, evaluates life from a new height of experience, he cannot rejoice or hate, grieve for and desire anything in this world, and totally renounces the concept of good and evil. Lord Krishna declares, "He who is such a devotee is dear to me." Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.